Students, before we are studying chemical bonding, just we'll see the one thing, electronic configuration of elements. So before that, we'll do one principle is known as above principle. So above जो है is a German word, इसका मतलब होता है building up. Means building up of orbitals means filling of electrons in an atom. So according to this principle, in the ground state of atom, electrons are filling in the orbital with increasing order. या आप लोग बोल सकते हो कि फर्स्ट जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे they will fill up in the lower energy level. After the filling of lower energy level, they will fill in the higher energy level. So this law is given by above. Building up means electron are fill up from lower energy level. After that, they will move in the higher energy levels. Then how can we fill the orbitals with electrons? Just I am drawing the structures. With the help of this, you can write the electronic configuration of each elements in the periodic table. Now just we'll see order of filling of orbitals, how electrons are filled up from lower energy to higher energy level. So S block is contain only 2 electrons. S के पास जो है it is accommodate only 2 electrons. P accommodate in the 6 electron. D accommodate our पास 10 electron और F accommodate 14 electrons. So जो P है, P जो है उसको 3 सब पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया, Px, Py, Pz. Each orbital contain 2 electrons. 2 into 3 equal to 6. ऐसे D को जो है 5 में डिवाइड किया गया, dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. So each orbitals contain 2 electrons. So D accommodate 10 electrons divided into 5 subcells. Just I am writing above principle. Here is 1s, 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 6d, 5d, then 5f, then 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, then 7p, and so on. So how electron are fill up? S contain S orbital जो है contain 2 electrons. P जो है 6 electron, D 10 electrons, F जो है 14 electrons. This is the capacity of orbitals. S orbital contain 2 electrons, P 6, D 10 and F14. How electrons are filled up from lower energy to higher energy level according to above principles. Just we draw the line in this way. This line will draw. So first electron will come in 1s orbital. Then after that it will move. After that it will move in this way. In this way it will move and come into 2s. First 1s में fill up होगा. After that electron, after the filling of 1s, electron enter into 2s. After the filling of 2s, electron will enter into 2p. Then after that filling of 2p, it will come in 3s. Then after that, it will come into 3p. Then 4s. Then this is the filling of electron. 3d, 4p, 5s. Then after that, they will come in this 4d, 5p, 6s. After that, after filling this electron, they will come 4f, 7p. Then after that, they will fill up in this 5f. Then so on. Means you can write electronic configuration this way: 1s, 2, because it accounted only 2 electrons, that's why we'll write 2. 2s2, 2p6, 1s2 first fill up हुआ, then after that 2s fill up हुआ, after that 2p हुआ, then 3s, then 3p6, then after that 4s, then 3d 10 because A D contain 10 electron, then 4p 6, then 5s square, 5x square, then 4d 10, then 5p, then 6s, then 4a 14. So in this way you can write the electronic configuration. Just we'll see the electronic configuration of sodium की बात करें हम लोग. So electronic configuration of sodium atomic number जो था 11 था. In 10th class आपका उन्हें लिखा है 281. In 10th class up to 10th you will write electronic configuration in this way. But here according to above principles means electrons are entered in the lower energy level. After that they will be in the higher energy level. So here is electronic configuration. So first electron goes to s orbital 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6. So number of electron 11, 2 and 2 4 and 16. So last electron enter into 3s1. s के पास जो है 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो सकते हैं, 2 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकते हैं, जबकि p के पास 6 हो सकते हैं, 6 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकते. Same it is for d 10 and f 14. उससे कम हो सकते हैं लेकिन ज्यादा नहीं हो सकते. So this is the above principle which show the electronic configuration of the elements in the periodic table according to above principles. Now we'll see the first 10 elements in the periodic table जिनका electronic configuration है, like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you write 1 is 1 because उसके पास केवल एक ही एटम्स, एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, that's why 1 is 1. It is 1s2. It is first lower energy level fill up and remaining electron goes to higher energy level. 1s के बाद आता है पास 2s, इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. Same it is first 1s2, then remaining 2 electron will come into 2s2. So both s orbitals are filled up. That's why these are elements are known as s block element because last valence electron goes into s orbital. That's why these are known as s block elements. Hydrogen, helium is an exception because its duplet is fully completed. It belongs to p orbitals or p block. Beryllium 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2 and 2 4, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5. Then here अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो है नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ेंगे because p की कैपेसिटी होती है contain 6 electrons. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. ये जो हमारे पास दोनों है फर्स्ट ऑर्बिटल्स ऑलरेडी फिल अप होंगे p में. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 and 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So this is the electronic configurations of 1 to 10 elements. और इनका फिलअपिंग देखिए हम लोग, ये ऑर्बिटल हुआ हमारे पास s ऑर्बिटल्स, ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हुआ. Here ये हमारे पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हुए. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 1s and 2s आ जाएगा. ये 1s हुआ. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन फिल अप इन दिस वे, opposite direction according to Hund's rule. It is 1, 3, 1s2, 2 electron, 2s1 only 1 electron, 1s2, 2s2. This is 2. Then here is 5. तो पहले तो हमारे पास s में 2 आ गए, 1s2, 2s2. बचा हमारे पास p जो है 3 पार्ट्स में होता है, इसमें फर्स्ट आएगा. फर्स्ट p जो है अकोमोडेट होता है, सभी में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा, पेयरिंग स्टार्ट नहीं होगी। यहाँ पास हुआ, फर्स्ट यहाँ पर आया, सेकंड यहाँ पर होगा, पेयरिंग नहीं होगी जब तक कि हाफ फिल्डेड नहीं हो जाता। आफ्टर दैट दे विल स्टार्ट पेयरिंग। नाइट्रोजन की बात करें हम लोग, सो नाइट्रोजन जो होता है स्टेबल होता है बिकॉज उसके पास हाफ फिल्डेड पी ऑर्बिटल्स होता है एज कंपेयर टू अदर एलिमेंट्स। ऑक्सीजन की बात करें, अब आपके पास एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आ गया है, अकोमोडेट हो गया है सेल में, देन स्टार्ट द पेयरिंग। देन फ्लोरीन की बात करें, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लोरीन, means electronic configuration of fluorine. First they are accommodated one electron, after that they will start pairing, and at last they will complete their octet. That's why it is a noble gas or stable electronic configuration. उसके पास आउटर मोस्ट शेल में कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं होता है। यहाँ पर आपके पास 1 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, यहाँ पे पास 2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, यहाँ पर आपके पास जो है 1 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, आपके पास 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 5 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. So these are the valence electrons, and this is the 1 to 10 elements जिनका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस as well as how they will fill in the orbitals. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू अबव प्रिंसिपल्स है. So we are taking these elements in the chemical bonding. That's why we are given this above principle as well as electronic configuration.